Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online offerings. Last week in one of our Lexical Lab online language classes, we were talking about swearing and looking at the way that lots of swear words also have less offensive versions. And one of the tasks connected to this was students had to look at these different pairs of options and choose stories about their own lives. And a student of mine chose to describe a time that he got really messed up, or a time he got really fucked up, if you prefer the swearing version. He talked about a time he went on holiday to Spain on his own when he was 19, and it was the first time he'd been abroad. He was quite excited to be out and about in the world, and on his first night in Barcelona he got talking to a load of people in a bar. They started drinking, and he made the fatal mistake of mixing beer and sangria and red wine and tequila and vodka. Perhaps unsurprisingly, he then threw up in the taxi on his way home and threw up again in the hotel. It was, as he put it very understatedly, not his proudest moment. If you say that something wasn't your proudest moment, it means that you're ashamed when you think about it or embarrassed when you remember it. I was once stopped by the police in Portland, Oregon, because I was holding my screaming son over my shoulder, trying to get him back to the place that we were staying in. And apparently someone had seen me holding this screaming child and thought I might be abducting him off the street. It wasn't my proudest moment, and I'm a little bit ashamed when I remember it now. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, share it with your friends or colleagues or students, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about things that aren't your proudest moments.